Cadillac Queen, y'all hear me knocking, well let me in. Alright, YouTube, as y'all can see, crankshaft, saw what the boat did to the back of it. They got a couple of threads left in it. Screws that I bought for it, obviously, they are the wrong screws. I don't see the main. Looking at the back of the block, YouTube. Got a freeze plug. That's one of them. That's the bottom of the distributor. I don't know if y'all see it. Y'all see the bottom of the distributor right there? That look like that's where I got a leak coming from. That it may be the manifold, intake manifold, but right now it's these screws, man. They gave me the wrong ones. Top one, it looked like I got some threads left in it though. So I don't know. Might be alright. I may not. I don't know. YouTube. That's what I'm worried about right there, YouTube. Back of the block. See the oil is running from the manifold in the distributor, what it looks like to me. Thought it was the main seal that was leaking, but it's not. It's the top manifold in the distributor. Of course, I go to the back of the transmission. I could see where those screws was loose at on the torque converter. Oil pan, oil filter, starter. Alright, YouTube, we out.